Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have an HTML file open and a line of text ready. Start now by typing the font tag around the text you want to change. Use the face attribute to set the typeface, size to set relative size like 3 or 4, and color as a named value or hex, for example #FF0000. Once done, save the file and refresh the browser so you see the effect immediately. This demonstrates how the tag overrides default styling and why it was used historically. Now, focus on the detailed execution. Choose size using absolute numbers from 1 to 7 or relative notation like +1 to increase size. Color should be hex or a standard name so rendering is predictable. Nesting is possible, but keep it tidy. Each opening font needs a matching / font in the correct order. Make sure to test combinations of face, size, and color together, because browsers render older tags differently. This helps you understand how inline presentation cascades versus modern CSS. Finish by validating and testing. Open the page in different browsers and on mobile to verify the font tag, produce the expected result. Make sure to plan a conversion to CSS. Use font family, font size, and color rules, because font is deprecated and less accessible. If you don't see changes, inspect for an unclosed tag, attribute typos, or existing CSS rules that override inline styling. Fix those first, then refresh. That troubleshooting step resolves most display problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.